Hey guys, welcome to video number 4. Today we're going to be mixing together 2-part expanding foam in between the stringers before we put the floor down. I've never done this before, don't really know what to expect, so it could get pretty messy. All right, so I gotta open these things.
Don't wanna sleep in, 'cause I got something.
All right, so I'm gonna mix part A and part B together.
Finally make a move, I think of you.
I'm gonna try and do a somewhat small batch the first time.
I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be.
At least I think this is small. We'll see. I think it's said to mix it for about 25 seconds.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.